Okay, defining your style. We can help you with that in Storyboard. There's lots and lots of styles. In fact, there's hundreds of different styles. What we try and do at Bandhini is make them into 4 easy categories. That's coastal, country, urban, and world traveller. And in those categories are lots of different layers and different ways. For example, the coastal style can be Hamptons or it can be Bahamas, but it's people living by the ocean, around the sea, in coastal areas. Here we are in this beautiful environment right on the Gold Coast with a development done by Fiona from Fad Design. She has completely and utterly redone this whole apartment. Now the people who own this are going to be letting it out, but we wanted to have a nod to their country aesthetic by using lovely blues, layering of blues, grass wallpapers, solid wooden furniture, things that evoke the coastal environment but also give the nod to the country. If you're looking for help, we can help you with our storyboards. We can easily go by room and show you the way that you can layer a room with either textiles or with art.